Wizards Pandas is your AI data crush, darling. Its data frames, like pd.dataframe data, organized datasets for AI preprocessing, will show you its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make Pandas sound so hot. How does it help AI, sweetie?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Pandas' data frames clean and analyze data for models. Perfect for AI. Try it in our demos, Wizards, and feel the chemistry.
Wizards, data frames are Pandas' magic tables. Create them with pd.dataframe data columns feature for AI datasets. We'll use data frames in our demos to filter and analyze data.
Data frames are so irresistible, Isabella. They organize AI data like a dream. Perfect for model preprocessing. Get ready to create tables that'll make your AI code swoon, Wizards.
Yo, Wizards, filtering data frames is like picking the best dance moves for AI. Use df feature greater than 1.0 to grab key data. Sophia, you lickin' this vibe. It's a preprocessing party.
Oh, Ethan, you're making me blush with that code. Wizards, filtering preps data for models, try it in our demo. It's like flirting with the perfect dataset.
Wizards, grouping with df. Group by, category, mean, is like mixin' a hot AI track, Sophia. It computes stats by group for insights, total data party. I'm dropping this beat in our demo.
You're on fire, Ethan. Wizards, grouping reveals AI patterns, try it in our demo. It's like dancing with your data, baby.
Wizards, merging data frames with pd.merge, df1, df2, is pure AI seduction. Combine datasets for richer models like joining features. We'll make merging sizzle in our Python shell.
Merging powers AI by combining data sources, Wizards. Use it for comprehensive datasets. Try it in the shell to see its magic.
Wizards Pandas is the heartthrob of AI data workflows. Its data frames clean and analyze datasets for models like pre-processing features. Your skills are industry hot, darlings.
Pandas is used in real AI projects like Scikit-learn, Wizards. Your Day 40 skills prep you for Day 41's Matplotlib visualizations. Keep shining. Wizards, open the Python shell with Python 3 and try import pandas as pd. df shark pd.dataframe feature 1, 2, 3 print df experiment with df feature 1 for filtering. The shell's your pandas playground.
Oh, Isabella, the shell's where the fun gets spicy. Try df.groupy category, mean Wizards. It's a flirty prep for Day 41's Matplotlib.
Wizards, mix Day 37's functions with Pandas for AI glory, Sophia. Def process _ data, with PD. Dataframe is like a love duet. I'm dropping this code like a romantic hit.
Oh, Ethan, you're making me swoon. Wizards, functions with pandas make AI code reusable. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with data.
Wizards, Pandas and Day 39's NumPy are a match made in AI heaven, Sophia. Use df feature to _ NumPy to convert data frames to arrays for math, coding fireworks. I'm hyped for this combo.
You're sparking joy, Ethan. Wizards, combine pandas and NumPy for AI preprocessing. Try it in the shell. It's like a data love story.
Wizards Clean Pandas code is readable and efficient. Use clear column names like feature, chain operations like df feature, one var mean, and add comments. This makes your AI code shine.
Oh, Isabella, clean code is so sexy. Clear names and comments make Pandas irresistible for AI. Practice these for Day 41's Matplotlib, Wizards.
Wizards, df. Filna, 0, cleans missing data like a love spell for Sophia. It preps datasets for AI models. No gaps, all swagger. I'm dropping this trick in the shell.
You're too charming, Ethan. Wizards, handling missing data ensures clean AI inputs. Try df.dropna in the shell. It's like polishing your dataset.
Wizards, mix day 36's control flow with Pandas for AI magic, Sophia. Use if to filter DF or loops for processing, coding fireworks. I'm hyped to show this.
You're sparking joy, Ethan. Wizards, control flow with Pandas powers AI logic. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with your data.
Wizards save dataframe.demo.py and grouping demo.p in VS Code with Ctrl+S or CMD+S. It's like locking your AI spells in a vault. Store them in a Python demo folder and back up on GitHub. Your code's a treasure.
Oh, Isabella, you're so right. Share your scripts on GitHub, Discord, or X Wizards. Show off that coding charm. Saving preps you for day 41's matplotlib.